Silent Night, Holy Night. It begins with, let's find middle C first. Here's a group of two black keys towards the middle of your keyboard or piano. C lives right here. D is next door. E, then F, and then G. You'll also reach up with finger number 2 at some point in the song, and you'll play this B flat. This is called a crossover. And you'll also play this A in a crossover. Some of the other things that take place, your right hand will take your thumb. While your thumb is here, you'll reach down with finger number 2 to play this B flat. So those are some of the things you can expect to see in this song. So you might want to practice that move right there. The right hand plays with fingers 1 and 2. Let's see, we can locate C, group of 2 black keys. C underneath your pinky. D is right next door. E, F, G. You'll also play this note right here, which is A. So the song actually has this part in the left hand, F and A, with fingers 1 and 2. So there's A, there's F, fingers 1 and 2. We'll play that at the same time. But remember, keep your fingers down here. Keep these 3 fingers there as well. Just kind of shift your thumb over, F and A. Thumb here, thumb over there, still F and A. You have this chord, which is a 5th, playing the notes C and G. You'll see that in the song. And you'll also see this chord here. It's got B flat and an F right here. You can use either finger 5 and 2 or finger 5 and 1, whichever one works best for you. Either 5 and 2 or 5 and 1. So I'm going back to home position here. C, D, E, F, G. C, D, E, F, G. Here's the song. 1, 2, 3. 1, ready, play. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. Repeat the song. 2, 3. 2, 3. Happy playing!